Hi Seekers, welcome to another New York video. Did you know there are around 25,000 restaurants across the 5 boroughs of New York? That's crazy, isn't it? So during my visit to New York, I had to experience New York's culinary delicacies. My first stop was at San Andrea's Madison, located near Central Park on East 7th Street. It's an Italian restaurant and the food was absolutely delicious. I can't say enough about the atmosphere. The staff was super friendly and overall we had a great experience. So it gets a 5-star rating. The second stop was at Times Square, where you can try street food like hot dogs, but ample fine dining and fast food options are also available. We went to a counter service restaurant spot near the Garment District called the Walk to Walk. Don't mistake for its size because this cute little place had amazing noodles and fried rice that were absolutely finger-licking. Walk to Walk gets a 4-star for its cuteness. The third stop was near the Rockefeller Center to a French restaurant called Le Roc. Now, I have mixed feelings about this place. I felt the food was average, but the restaurant was beautifully decorated. The only thing that didn't go well with me was the staff behavior. I felt a bit unwelcome at this place compared to other fine dining restaurants I visited. So, overall, I would give this restaurant a 3-star rating. Finally, I want to talk about this amazing discovery I made at the Time Out Marketplace near the Brooklyn Bridge, or more precisely near Dumbo. It looks like a food court market where you will find different restaurants and mouth-watering delicacies from all around the world. You can eat different things and eat at the same table with your family or friends. And I found that Time Out is an English media that was created in 1968 in London to provide information on London's culture. And the concept was later expanded to other cities like New York. I had the best juicy and spicy shrimp tacos and a Mexican fruit flavored soda drink called Jarritos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.